Need a bonnet? Not a problem. Just use a placemat. Hi, I'm Carrie. I cosplay crochet and enjoy history bounding, and I use unconventional materials such as a placemat when I make my costumes. Whether you need a bonnet for a themed parade, last minute costume party, theater production, here is how I made this very simple bonnet. Actually, I've made a number of bonnets out of placemats. Really easy, super quick, not a problem. First, you want to make sure that your placemat is wide enough that it will go across your head. This one is. This one is, however, a little long. It sticks out a lot. That is also fairly easy to deal with if you do need to cut it. Cutting it along the length. Make sure that you're still leaving a nice clean edge at the front. That way you have less sewing that you need to do. That's actually really cute. Maybe I have to make a shorter bonnet with this one. I like it. Then simply sew the two edges of the placemat together. Then gather up the rest of the material on the end. This placemat is very heavy and very thick, so I ended up with not much gathering. But if you're using a lighter cloth placemat, it should be no problem to get a good tight cinch there that will also eat up some of your length at the front. But having this gap here means that I can put my bun through. So there's that advantage to it. And then I just attached ribbon for ties. Depending upon the style of bonnet that you're going for, you can add lace or flowers and trim to make it fancier, or keep it simple like this. No fuss, no muss, simple, easy bonnet. Well, that's it for this video. I hope that you found this quick little idea helpful for you. If you do end up making a bonnet like this, I'd love to see pictures. If you liked this video, please give a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to get other wonderful quick costume ideas. Until next time, have fun, be creative, and take care. Need a bonnet? Not a problem. Just use a tablecloth. And I like using unconventional materials in my costumes, such as a placemat. I said tablecloth, didn't I? Oh.